You see a mouse here. See it? It's right there. I'm gonna pull that one out. So it's been about a week. That's a deer mouse. They have all kinds of traps and monitors. I only put a few things in there. One snap trap. And then here we did the exclusion on in the pipe chases. So I'm looking to see if anything is chewed through. They haven't reported anything. It's been over a week now. They haven't reported anything. Oh, there's some new activity. If I can get this, you can see the activity there on the station. See all the droppings, and some of the droppings are red. See, some of the droppings are red, so they're eating the bait. So, because the black droppings and the bait in there is red, so they've already been eating enough of that bait to build up a nice toxicity. And there's a trap in there with nothing in it. That's good. So they already found the hot spot. I'm going to the garage. They're coming from the basement. Just going to check the garage real quick. Wow, it's warm in here. Where's the light for the garage? There we go. They got dogs, so I have to be careful on the placement of my products. And here's a station here. So they're not eating in this garage area. There's no activity. It's been about a week, so wow, it's really warm in here. I don't know how they get the hell they're getting heat in here. Let's go into the basement. I haven't even done any outside exterminating yet. I'm just doing the inside to see what's going on. See what movement is going on here, and then we can finish them off, and then start maintaining it on the outside. Oh, you see one here, one guy here. So they're running throughout the whole house. You gotta watch out, there's a water source. And then I got a monitor here. Oh, it's empty. See all the droppings? Wow, this place is infested. So we got the traps, but then we got the bait. That will probably definitely wipe them out. As soon as they feed on that, they have a lethal dose. I like to catch mice versus poisoning them, but when it's infested, you want to do whatever you got to do to knock them out. Wow. Okay, so this one's good. So this one, they're not eating for this one, so I'm gonna put this station over here. They're moving from this house. They're not using the basement. So I'm not worried about anybody coming across this product. But after a couple weeks, I'm going to remove all the bait from inside. Wow, look at these nice fat mice. And they're defecating the red bait. They already had a toxic doses in their bodies. Oh, completely empty. Wow, it's only been a week. It's only been a week, and this place they're totally eating up the bait. So I gotta come back and remove those mice. I can't say I'm surprised. Let's see what's going on here. here. Okay, good. And they haven't even reported anything since I came here. But so far I counted four mice and a lot of activity. Wow. They probably run throughout the drop ceiling. I put some devices in the drop ceiling too, but I'm going to check that out at the end of 30 days. I put devices in the drop ceiling in case we have a failure and we can't figure out their movement, but I see their movement. It's the kitchen, and then right below the kitchen is the utility room. So, you know, they're just running throughout probably the drop ceiling, all the utility areas, and then popping up through the kitchen. And so only one or two came up through the kitchen, but there's a lot of mice here. And I don't smell anything from any dead mice, so that's good. Got my work cut out for me. It's pretty strategic. You see where the mice can be running around up there. See the droppings? See the droppings up in the drop ceiling? They call it drop ceiling. The dropping ceiling. See all the mice droppings? Yeah. That's right. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. But that's the day in the life of Exterminator. Yeah, I'm going to just pick up the mice and just let it, just let it. There's no reason for me to put any more product. There's plenty of product still. And see how it goes. I'm going to come back in about 2 or 3 more weeks and do my final follow-up. And then I'll be on call in case there's any kind of emergencies. But I see what's going on. We're making much progress in just 1 week's time.